Hi again, gamer fans. Guess what's out? Sonic. Uh, Sonic. Where is it? Oh, 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 oh. Sonic Colors. It's out. It's been so long. The games from Sonic have been bad for so long, and they've finally been well. it, yeah. Sonic games have been bad for so long. They have been so terrible because they have focused on making a fast platform game with Sonic instead of making a Mario game with Sonic in Mario's place, which is what they should make. Now, finally, Sega have made a Sonic game, which is what we want, which is what we all wanted all along. So it is time for my professional Sonic Sonic Colors review. Let's go, yeah. The space for review. Swoosh. Presentation. Come on. Swoosh. Sonic Colors has good presentation. It is presented very goodly. The best bit about the presentation is the fact that they have all new voice actors instead of the fucking stupid fucking shitty old voice actors. Now, in this one, the voice actors are but the bestest bit is how funny it is because it's got the writers that did Mad World, and Mad World was brilliant. So look at this new cutscene. This is the kind of hilariously funny humor that.
Hey, Tails, you missed the BBBE. Huh? Best Boss Bee
Baby, baby. So good. The graphics and levels are beautiful and colorful. Look at these beautiful and colorful graphics and levels. Yeah, look at them. Look at the cutscene. The best gameplay. Whoosh, the best thing about Sonic Colors is the gameplay. The gameplay is very, very good because it is not fast. It's like Mario. And that is what we wanted all along. We wanted a game like Mario and not like not fast because Sonic isn't about going fast. No, sir. It's about being like Mario. Now, what you are seeing in these clips are the new power called Wisps. I will just call them aliens if that is okay with everybody. We are magical aliens from another world called Wisps. We have special magical color powers, and we can give you the magic powers by going inside of you. but the evil Dr. Robotnik have stolen us, and you have to save us from him.
I have the power of colors from wisps.
The gameplay is awesome because it is like Mario and mostly slow, and the fast bits all play themselves like they should, because you shouldn't have to play fast games because fast games are bad, and Sonic isn't about being fast, it's about being like Mario and slower and more like Mario. Whoosh! The verdict. The verdict. Conclusion. Overall, Sonic Colors is awesome and I am so happy. I love you, Sonic Colors.
It is finally here. Sonic game, which isn't terrible and is actually about doing really slow platforming stuff instead of speed. Finally, Sonic is back. Sonic is back. It has been too long. Welcome back, old friend. Welcome home.